Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a unique bundle that's a bit of a game changer for wig lovers. It's the Editor's Pick Elite Wig by Raquel Welch, paired with some essential hair care items: Christy's Wigs Q&A booklet, BeautiMark Synthetic Shampoo, and a wide-tooth comb. A combo designed to give you a complete, seamless wig-wearing experience. Let's break this down and see if this bundle is really worth the investment. First off, let's talk about the Editor's Pick Elite Wig by Raquel Welch. This wig is all about offering that perfect blend of comfort and style. It's made from true-life, heat-friendly synthetic hair, which means you can use heat tools like a blow dryer or curling iron on it without worry. So whether you're looking to give it a bit more volume or smooth out the waves, this wig can handle it. The cap is constructed with sheer indulgence lace front, a monofilament top, and it's all 100% hand-tied. What does this mean for you? A more natural look with a comfortable fit that hugs your scalp without feeling too tight. The lace front ensures a seamless hairline, while the monofilament top gives you more movement and allows for parting the hair in any direction. It's a wig designed for authenticity, both in feel and appearance. The wig's length is quite versatile, with the front measuring about 4.5 inches, the crown coming in at 10 inches, and the nape at 6.5 inches. These dimensions give you a stylish yet manageable length that's perfect for everyday wear. Plus, it only weighs about 3.84 ounces, so it's light on the head and won't feel heavy throughout the day. Now, how does it perform in real life? I've been testing this out for a few days, and it really does live up to its claims. It's super easy to style, thanks to the heat-friendly synthetic hair. I played around with both straight and curly looks, and it held the shape really well. The lace front makes a huge difference in making the wig look more realistic, and the monofilament top provides such a natural-looking part. It doesn't look like a wig at all. When it comes to comfort, I have to say the hand-tied cap is a standout feature. It's snug but not tight, and I didn't feel any irritation or discomfort even after wearing it for long periods. Whether you're new to wigs or have been wearing them for years, this design just feels more breathable and luxurious than most. Let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the true-to-life heat-friendly synthetic hair is fantastic. It's flexible, easy to style, and retains its shape really well. The lace front gives you a natural-looking hairline, and the monofilament top allows for versatile styling. Plus, the wig is light and comfortable to wear for hours without feeling heavy or itchy. As for the cons, the main one is that, as with most wigs, it requires a bit of maintenance. You'll need to be careful with heat styling to avoid damage, and there's the general upkeep of cleaning and storing it properly to maintain its longevity. Also, while the wig is fairly versatile, the texture might not suit everyone's taste if you're looking for a completely natural human hair feel. When it comes to value for money, this bundle does have a higher price tag. However, considering the quality of the wig and the added items in the bundle, the BeautiMark Synthetic Shampoo and wide-tooth comb, it feels like you're getting more than just a wig. The shampoo is specifically formulated for synthetic hair, and the wide-tooth comb helps prevent tangling, both of which extend the life of your wig. So, for those who are serious about wig care and want an all-in-one package, this bundle does justify its cost. Now, if you're thinking about alternatives, there are cheaper options out there, but the true-to-life heat-friendly synthetic hair is something you don't see often in budget-friendly wigs. The quality and styling options are definitely worth considering, especially if you want a more realistic and versatile wig. As for build quality, the hand-tied cap feels premium, and the lace front is smooth and flexible. Everything about this wig shows attention to detail. I've worn it through different weather conditions and haven't noticed any wear or tear yet, which bodes well for its longevity. With proper care, I can see this wig lasting quite a while. Customer support from Raquel Welch is solid. Though I haven't needed to reach out for any issues, the brand's reputation is known for being responsive to customer inquiries. They are great with helping with fit issues or product concerns, which is a big plus for those who are new to wearing wigs or might have questions about the fit. If you've tried other wigs in this category, You might find that this one holds up really well compared to its peers in terms of comfort and style. The true-to-life fibers make it stand out, especially for those who like to use heat tools. So to wrap it up, this Editor's Pick Elite Wig from Raquel Welch definitely holds up to its reputation. The realistic look, heat-friendly synthetic hair, and comfortable fit make it a great option for wig lovers. If you're looking for a wig that's easy to style, durable, and feels like a natural part of your look, this one might be worth the investment. The added care products in this bundle just make it even better, especially for those new to wigs or who want a full, high-quality wig care experience. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.